Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the barbecue pork at home. Okay, first of all, 1 kilo of pork is 12 grams of baking powder. Why we use the baking powder is because sometimes the pork got a smell. So we want to get rid of the smell, we have to use a baking powder. Baking powder is also a type of food tenderizer. And then 7 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of Plum Sauce, any Plum Sauce. You can buy it from the Chinese or Asian grocery. And 2 tablespoons of Light Soy Sauce. Any type of Light Soy Sauce, okay? It doesn't matter. And then it's a Chinese cooking wine. Any type of Chinese cooking wine as well. Alright, there's no particular brand or whatever. Then 1 teaspoon of MSG. Okay. Then come to the garlic. Just 4 or 5 cloves of garlic as you like. If you can put more, also fine. And somewhere around about 30 grams of this ginger. Alright. Then the last one is the red coloring, just a pinch. Okay, don't make it too red. Okay, this is for coloring the pork become red. That's it. And I will be using the barbecue pork that I made to cook the fried rice, Singapore noodles, Hokkien noodles, and some other stuff like the mixed veggie combination, anything. Now I'm going to cut the pork into 3 pieces like this, okay? Okay, now I'm going to laminate it. See the baking powder, 12 grams. 12 grams is somehow like this, 1 full teaspoon, okay? 7 tablespoons of white sugar. 1, 2, 6, 7. If you don't want it to be too sweet, you can cut down the sugar as well. And then the Plum Sauce. 2 tablespoons of Plum Sauce. This is also sweet, alright? 2 tablespoons of Light Soy Sauce. Not too much, it is very salty, alright? 2 tablespoons of Chinese wine. Any type of Chinese wine which you can buy from the Asian grocery, alright? 1 teaspoon of MSG, not too much, alright? Okay, then the ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic, you just smash it, okay? And put it in. That's it. Now, coloring, just a pinch of coloring. Don't make it too red. Now, what we do is try to mix them up all together. No water, nothing, just make it dry. So leave it there for a while, say around about 20 to 30 minutes. So it will become very watery, and then we try to mix it again. Okay? My hand, okay? Okay, now it's 30 minutes already, and I start to play with it again. This is how I do in the restaurant you can always cut down and add more ingredients that I'm giving to you because you are cooking for yourself and known as you like it. The cooking wine is optional. Always remember that. No alcohol if you are driving. Alright? Cover it up and put in the fridge for 24 hours, more or less. Okay? Always remember to cover up all your food in order to reduce the chances of food poisoning. Don't drop seriously. Okay? After 24 hours, we are ready to cook. Okay? Now, see everything here. Now, first of all, you heat up, this is my oven. At home, you have to adjust your own oven because it won't be the same, okay? So, the temperature and the time, you adjust it by yourself. For mine, I need to cook for 45 minutes with 230 degrees, okay? Put the tray on the bottom of the oven because all the juice it may come out. Alright? Now, because my oven, the heat is coming from the back. So it's when you do the cooking, it's circling around. Alright? Some of them is coming from the side on the bottom. Okay, it's different. So you have to adjust yourself, okay? Now put the pork in. Cover up for 45 minutes. Now it is cooked already. Now turn off. Yeah. So see, this is the top, this is the bottom. Okay. So don't worry about the burning part. We can take it out later. Okay, now it's ready. Now what we do now is honey. This is optional. Okay. Okay, and try to make up for it just a little bit. Okay. You can use a brush as well if you want to. So let it cooling down a bit, say 15 to 20 minutes. Then we do the cutting, alright? We don't cut it straight away because it's still very hot, and then if we cut it now, the meat will stick together. Now, we try to cut it and have a look. See like this, okay? The black one, the burning one, if you don't want, you can always cut it away, okay? Like this. Take it away. Okay. See, it is all cooked, you see? This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe it on the channel. Thank you very much.